Ceruminous glands present in the ear are A. Modified eccrine glands, B. Modified apocrine glands, C. Mucus gland, D. Modified holocrine glands. And the correct answer is B. Modified apocrine glands. Ceruminous glands in the ear are a type of apocrine gland that has been modified to produce earwax. These glands help protect the ear by trapping dust and particles. Nerve supply for external ear are all except A. Greater occipital nerve, B. Greater auricular nerve, C. Auriculotemporal nerve, D. Lesser occipital nerve. And the correct answer is A. Greater occipital nerve. The greater occipital nerve is not involved in the nerve supply to the external ear. Instead, it supplies the back of the scalp. The external ear is innervated by the greater auricular nerve, auriculotemporal nerve, and lesser occipital nerve. All of the following nerves supply auricle and external meatus except A. Trigeminal nerve, B. Glossopharyngeal nerve, C. Facial nerve, D. Vagus nerve. And the correct answer is B. Glossopharyngeal nerve. The glossopharyngeal nerve does not supply the auricle or external auditory meatus. The auricle and external meatus are innervated by the trigeminal, facial and vagus nerves. The glossopharyngeal nerve supplies other regions like the throat and tongue. Which of the following nerves has no sensory supply to the auricle? A. Lesser occipital nerve, B. Greater auricular nerve, C. Auricular branch of vagus nerve, D. Tympanic branch of glossopharyngeal nerve. And the correct answer is D. Tympanic branch of glossopharyngeal nerve. The tympanic branch of the glossopharyngeal nerve, also called Jacobson's nerve, supplies the middle ear but does not innervate the auricle. The auricle receives sensory supply from the lesser occipital nerve, greater auricular nerve, and the auricular branch of the vagus nerve. Therefore, the tympanic branch has no role in auricle sensation. Sensory supply of external auditory meatus is by A. Pterygomandibular ganglion, B. Geniculate ganglion, C. Facial nerve, D. Auriculotemporal nerve. And the correct answer is D. Auriculotemporal nerve. The auriculotemporal nerve helps your brain feel things like touch or pain in the outer part of your ear. It's part of a bigger group of nerves in your head. Basically, this nerve makes sure you can feel sensations around your ear. Skin over pinna is fixed A. Firmly on both sides, B. Loosely on medial side, C. Loosely on lateral side, D. Loosely on both sides. And the correct answer is B. Loosely on medial side. Skin over pinna is loosely fixed on the medial side. Dehiscence of the anterior wall of the external auditory canal cause infection in the parotid gland via A. Fissure of Santorini, B. Notch of Ramus, C. Petrus fissure, D. Retropharyngeal fissure. And the correct answer is A. Fissure of Santorini. Fissure of Santorini refers to small openings in the cartilaginous part of the external auditory canal's anterior wall. These openings can lead to dehiscence, which means a split or defect in the tissue of this area. Macewen's triangle is the landmark for A. Maxillary sinus, B. Mastoid antrum, C. Frontal sinus, D. None. And the correct answer is B. Mastoid antrum. Macewen's triangle is also known as suprameatal triangle. It is a bony landmark on the temporal bone located behind the ear. It is used by surgeons as a guide to access the mastoid antrum, a cavity within the mastoid process of the temporal bone. This region is clinically significant in mastoid surgeries, particularly in the treatment of mastoiditis. Stapedius is supplied by A. Maxillary nerve, B. Facial nerve, C. Auditory nerve, D. Mandibular disease. And the correct answer is B. Facial nerve. The stapedius muscle located in the middle ear is controlled by a branch of the facial nerve, cranial nerve 7. This nerve helps the stapedius muscle dampen loud sounds to protect the inner ear. Semicircular canals are stimulated by A. Gravity, B. Linear acceleration, C. Rotation, D. Sound. And the correct answer is C. Rotation. The semicircular canals in the inner ear detect rotational movements of the head. When the head rotates, fluid inside these canals moves, stimulating hair cells that send signals to the brain about the head's position. This helps maintain balance and spatial orientation. What is the type of joint between the ossicles of ear? A. Fibrous joint, B. Primary cartilaginous, C. Secondary cartilaginous, D. Synovial joint. And the correct answer is D. Synovial joint. The ear contains synovial joints, especially in the ossicles of the middle ear. These joints allow the bones to move smoothly against each other, facilitating sound transmission. Stapes develop from A. First arch, B. Second arch, C. Third arch, D. Fourth arch. And the correct answer is drop your answers in the comment section below. For downloading PDF content and for latest updates, follow our Telegram channel. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.